everyone, this is Chantel back with another educational video, and today I'm going to talk about CPR. So what is CPR? It is cardiopulmonary resuscitation, and we utilize CPR to help maintain circulation and breathing in someone who has stopped breathing or who is unresponsive. It helps to keep oxygen-rich blood circulating and flowing to all the vital organs, especially the heart and the brain. And so when should we perform CPR? So if we have a patient or you're just out in the street and someone is unresponsive, could be a family member, and you want to go ahead and check for a pulse. If you don't feel a pulse, then you want to go ahead and start CPR. And so we utilize the CAB method, and C is for compression, A is for airway, and B is for breath. So we want to go ahead, we want to check a pulse, then we want to activate the emergency response system, which is either calling 911 or getting the AED machine. And then we want to go ahead and start with our compressions. And when we do our compressions, we want to do it at 100 to 120 compressions a minute. And we want to make sure we're going at least 2 inches deep. So that is to stimulate the heart. I know in the movies we see how they do it, and it looks so perfect and so, easy going, but it's actually very exhausting. It's very intensive. Ribs are broken, sternums can be broken as well, because you're trying to do enough pressure and compressions to get that heart beating again. And so then after we do our compressions, so we do 30 compressions, and then we give 2 breaths. And the breaths is to, again, get that oxygen into those lungs and to get that person back breathing again. So we do that 30 to 2. With the infant, we want to do 15 compressions to 2, and about 1.5 inches deep into their chest. And a good way to remember how that 100 to 120 beats a minute is to remember the song Staying Alive. So we kind of use that when I teach it. I use the Staying Alive song to help make sure that the students are doing it at the same rhythm and at the same speed. And so at GTP, we do offer CPR training, and we do ours through the American Heart Association, and you do get your card the same day. And anyone can come to learn CPR. It's a very good skill to have. And so I just want to get on here and give you a little information about CPR, and you can like, subscribe, and follow us for more information.